Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Sandra. This is the Royal Q channel. My God, I am making this video in total and absolute shock. I just woke up this morning and I went to the Discord for PARROT DAO. There's no more Discord. They've disappeared. There's no Discord. There's no more Twitter page. What I am now on is the website. I don't know for how long this website is going to be here. Oh my God. Crypto, we know is volatile, but this volatile? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Look at that. This is what my $200 investment has now turned into. $14.51. This is unbelievable. How can this be allowed to stay? I mean, what is the government not doing something? Look at this. PARR was on $200 a few days ago. PARR is now $2.56. As at yesterday, we had 4 options for minting available. As at yesterday, I put my money into PARR meme LP 44 staking. I put in $200. My $200, only God knows what it has become. There was the meme bonding option. There was the meme 44 option. And then there was also the USDTE option. You can see that, and no wonder the website, quite a few bugs on the website. As at the time the Discord launched, we were told there were 12,000 members of the Discord. And because it was such an active community, I mean, we all thought, okay, that must be because of bots. But in hindsight, they must have just blown it up to look like it was made up of lots and lots of people. I mean, this is what the PARR meme liquidity pool 4x4 investment is looking like. This is what, 3 days to Christmas? My God, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is even easier a rug than meme coins. This is even easier a rug than meme coins. This is saying ROI is 81 minus 81.38%. Who would have thought rugs were this quick to execute? What is going on in cryptosphere? Look at that. I bonded to a USDTE 44 staking. There we were complaining about Gorilla Galaxy and the rest of it. People left all their positions with Gorilla Galaxy, left their positions with Ragnar DAO, left their positions with various other DAOs, and put all their money into PARROT DAO. As I speak to you, PARROT DAO PARR price is now $2.56, down from well over to all-time high of $200. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This is utter wickedness. There's no other way to describe this. This is utter wickedness. I really don't know what to say. I'm in shock. I am in shock. What are people going to do for Christmas? What are people going to do for Christmas? This is the DEX screener page. As at yesterday, it had PARR meme trending. As at this morning, let me look for it. My God, PARR meme. Look at it. Right at the bottom. $2.55. This is unbelievable. I mean, can somebody do something? Can nobody do something? Is this how these people disappear? What are people going to do? My God. My God. Look at that. Minus 94.87. You see, this is why, ladies and gentlemen, you must continue to do your research. As at yesterday, when the bonding launched, there was a whale that pulled out. A whale pulled out, and the MC cap went from 35 million to 15 million. That was the beginning of the end. That whale must have been somebody who knew something about this PARR. That whale must have been an insider. Look at that. Market cap for PARR has gone from millions to $630,000. Liquidity is now $170,000. That isn't even the point. I mean, the point, oh my God. If I go to the website, if I attempt to go to the Twitter page, PARROT DAO says, cannot retrieve tweets at this time. The term you have entered did not bring up any. PARROT DAO is no longer existing. There's no Twitter page anymore. This is a Twitter page that had over 4,691 followers. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I did not realize that this thing was this easy to execute. Look at that. Normally, when you come to Discord, you will find, the Discord page somewhere. As at this morning, I have scrolled and scrolled and scrolled and scrolled and scrolled and scrolled. I cannot find anything to do with PARROT DAO. I reached out and I contacted one of the mods on the Discord group. They call him Dre. He's not written back to me. No, my God, what's going on? Ladies and gentlemen, as you watch this video, if you have any information on this DAO, could you please put that information on the video? I've never known a DAO to rug as quickly as this. I know that of late there have been quite a few DAOs rugging and rugging and rugging. Somebody said to me, all it takes to put up a DAO is an approximate $11,000, put up a website, nice graphics, and all of that. This is crypto. This is what happens when you trust somebody else with your money. This is what happens when you trust other people with your money. This is what happens when you get involved in what you should not get involved in. This is what happens when we fail to undertake our due diligence. This is what happens when we keep shaking off bad news that we hear concerning a project. The page that's about to open is my Galaxy page, my Galaxy Goggles page. I also put money in this project. This project has also rugged. I invested $200, and as I speak to you, at least this is not as bad as PARROT DAO. It's gone down, but my stake balance is $57. At least that's something. This is crazy. When is the government going to do something? I also got involved in Ragnar DAO. Ragnar DAO sees, this is why we say as soon as you can, as soon as you enter into any project, pull out your initials. Pull out your initials because anything can happen at any time. These are the figures for Ragnar DAO. Ragnar DAO has also rugged. Ragnar DAO has also, well, near enough rugged. The value has gone down. It's showing an increased ROI. Perhaps maybe people are coming back, but it's unbelievable. In the past few days, Jade Protocol has rugged. In the past few days, Live DAO has rugged. And as I speak to you now, PARROT DAO has also rugged. This is unbelievable. This project was just 2 days old. It was at an all-time high of near enough 40 million in terms of market cap. Price all-time high for PARR was about $200. What has happened to Ragnar DAO? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. This is unbelievable. 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 This is a rug like no other. What sort of satanic Christmas present is this? If you have any information about PARROT DAO, the devs involved never doxed. There were 2 Turkish people who couldn't speak English properly who doxed on the Discord channel. Where's everybody? Can somebody please just let us know what the latest on PARROT DAO is? Ladies and gentlemen, I wish I had better news for you on PARROT DAO this morning. But for some time to come, I think this is going to be the last DAO I get involved in at this level. No wonder they say only invest what you're prepared to lose. There were people investing $5,000, $15,000. What are they going to do now? Oh, this is unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention. Once again, my name is Dr. Sandra. Please keep your comments and observations and questions coming. And best of all, if you have any information on PARROT DAO, who's behind it, why it's rugged, where they've run to, let us know. Thank you very much. And I hope you're having a better day than I'm having right now. Thank you. Bye-bye.